Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we've got something special for all you biking enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of bike storage solutions with the CyclingDeal MTB bike tire clip storage wall mount rack. Now, if you're like me and you love hitting the trails but hate cluttering up your garage or apartment with bikes strewn all over the place, then you're going to want to pay close attention to this one. This wall mount rack is the cream of the crop when it comes to storing your mountain bike securely and efficiently. Let's talk about space saving. This innovative wall clip is designed to maximize your storage space, whether you're indoors or outdoors. Say goodbye to tripping over bikes and hello to organized bliss. Installation is a breeze, folks. With the included hardware and straightforward instructions, you'll have this bad boy up on your wall in no time. And don't worry about compatibility. Whether you've got a mountain bike with tires ranging from 1.5 to 2.4 inches wide or a road bike with 700cc wheels, this rack has got you covered. But what sets this rack apart from the competition? Well, for starters, it's practical and lockable. With optional locking knobs, you can add an extra layer of security to keep your prized possessions safe and sound. And let's not forget about the premium quality construction. Made of heavy-duty thermoplastic and equipped with stainless steel screws and nylon anchors, this rack is built to last. Plus, it comes with a spanner for adjusting the roller position and even spare replacement springs. So, if you're tired of cluttered spaces and want to reclaim your garage or apartment, look no further than the CyclingDeal MTB bike tire clip storage wall mount rack. Trust me, folks, this is the best bike rack clip for walls available on the market today. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy biking!